students! So today we're going to be talking about what time of day can we see the moon. And I'm going to go outside and see if I can see the moon right now. We're going to do a little experiment and see when I can see the moon. I'll be checking in on the sky every few hours and see if I can see the moon at any time during the day or during the night.
No moon yet. Don't see anything. Still no moon? Not seeing a moon here either. Where is it?
I'm also not seeing a moon at nighttime either. You can't see it, but there's no moon. That's just a star.
I don't see a moon out here either. I don't even see stars. Do hear peacocks though.
So the moon, like the Earth, is a globe. A globe means that it's a big ball. It's ball-shaped, and it's circular, and it's round. Just like the Earth is a ball shape, so is the moon. And the moon circles around the Earth, and it's called an orbit. If the Earth is here, the moon will go around the Earth in an orbit. Now, when the moon is at a certain position, it may look different in the sky. So say that the Earth is right here and the moon is right here. Depending on where the sun is, it can light up the moon differently. If we see the whole moon and it's all lit up, that's called a full moon because it's full. It's completely filled up. But if we see no moon, we can't even see a moon in the sky, it's called new moon because the new moon is coming. So here's a little picture of all the different types of ways that the moon can look. The moon can look like it's split in half. A couple different times the moon can look like it's got a little sliver in it. So the moon can look a lot of different ways. This is how the moon can look at different times during the month. So if you see there's like a calendar, so different days during the week, the moon will look different. And as I'm looking at this picture, I'm noticing a pattern. What do you think is the pattern that I'm noticing?
Well, the pattern I'm noticing is that every shape, it seems like there's two of every shape, except that the shapes look like they're flipped. So that's the pattern I'm noticing. Let me know if you see a different pattern.
Because of the way that the sun and the moon are facing, the moon looks different on Earth different days.
So this moon looks like a sliver, and if you look closely, you can kind of see the rest of the moon that's not lit up. You can see it really well in this picture. And you can barely see it in others. This moon is a half moon. So that means that it's like half filled up all the way. And this one, it's almost completely filled up. And you can see all the craters across the moon and all of the hills. Yep, that's right. Just like Earth has hills, so does the moon. So now you can see it in all of its glory, a full circle, a full moon. And guess what? The moon can even show up during the daytime. Crazy, huh? So here's what's really going on. As the Earth is spinning, the moon is orbiting around the Earth. And as it orbits around the Earth, you can see the shadows change. With the moon, it looks different depending on where it is in orbit. And you can see that the Earth is spinning much faster than the moon is orbiting. And that's how we get day and night.
The Earth orbits around the sun. So if this is the sun, the Earth orbits around the sun. It goes around the sun a lot of times. And if this is the Earth, the moon also orbits the Earth. So it's like doing this
crazy motion, which is actually really, really slow in real life. But you can see how the sun's light is affecting the moon's shadows, which is really cool and gives us a better idea why the moon looks different every day of the month and looks really different every month of the year. So I've been looking outside, right, and I can't find the moon. So it turns out that the moon right now is a new moon, meaning you can't see it because the light isn't on it. All we see is the shadow casted from the sun. So that gives us a really awesome opportunity to track the moon cycle, which I'll be doing this day forward.